Hello and welcome to another MCO update on HBAR. So on the HBAR chart, I am considering that the market might be starting a wave 2 pullback very, very soon. Maybe it already started, and bear in mind it could be a shallow pullback due to the bullishness we see currently in the market. And I want to talk to you a little bit about these structures here that we're tracking. So currently there are two pathways, both bullish, okay, in the short term. Both bullish in the short term. The first one is a diagonal pattern in which the market formed 5 waves up. I don't like it. It just doesn't really add up for various reasons, proportions and everything. I don't want to get too much into this, but yeah, it doesn't fully add up. Strange proportions. Don't like how the last move up looks also structurally. So questionable. But in this scenario, if we get a deeper pullback, there is a support area to watch. And the market needs to hold above 14.2 cents. I don't have any bullish scenario below 14.2 cents. That's very important. So this level really needs to hold to keep a bullish scenario alive. And that would be in the blue scenario. Now, that doesn't mean the blue count needs to retrace all the way down to 14.2 cents. Absolutely not. But instead, the market can just test 15.7 cents or 16.9 cents. Bottom line is, this would likely be a bit more of a substantial pullback, but we don't have to max out the support area. I don't even have evidence that this wave 2 has started anyway. So it is, however, something that, from a risk management point of view, tells us that we need to be on the side of caution, because this move up is now a 5-wave move. But we have to be ready for surprises in these movements, because this is not an impulsive move up from the low in April. No, we're dealing with a potential ugly diagonal pattern. So that also takes us to the white scenario. And in the white scenario, we're tracking an ABC structure. So A wave, B wave, C wave, hold on. C wave from the May low. And that's another scenario. I mean, the risk here with this scenario is that it's forming a larger ABC, which would be potentially bearish overall. But in the short term, it could be bullish. Again, also that reminds us that these altcoins, they are not really there to buy and hold necessarily. You have to be on the side of caution. You have to manage your trades and everything. In this scenario, if it's an ABC structure to the upside, it's short term more directly bullish, because this move up here from the swing low on the 6th of May could be a wave 1 of a 5-wave move in wave C. And the next pullback could be a wave 2. So there is a 1-2 setup I'm tracking, with quite a few 1-2 setups that played out nicely in the last few weeks. Solana was one of them, for example, where the price rallied to, I think, around $180 now. That was on the nano level, on the smaller time frame. And this might be another one, okay? And then we could get a third wave up, fourth and fifth, into the 30-cent region. In the very short term, though, it's a bit difficult to say, a bit difficult to assess. Are these all 5 waves here in wave 1, or was the wave 1 here? Anyway, I would prefer a pullback in an ABC structure, even here in the white count, possibly something like that. Again, is there a guarantee to test support? No. The pullback so far is quite shallow, and I would need to see a break below that 20-cent level, the last swing low, to confirm further this wave 2 has actually started. So to keep it very simple, as long as the market holds above this 18-cent level, the upper support, the white count can be in control. That means directly bullish. Any break below 18 cents, and it's at least the blue scenario, but keep in mind the blue count has some problems, so not trustworthy until we see actually a reaction, ideally an impulsive reaction to that lower support box. So that means in the very short term, I'm watching if the market can form an ABC structure, test upper support between 19.7 and 18 cents. that's the update on HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional content, make sure to check out our main channel, MCO Global, where you'll get deeper analysis, longer videos, different styles of content, different bit of behind the scenes stuff, what's going on, and so much, so on. Lots going on there. But yeah, different content tomorrow. I'll update a Bitcoin here on this channel as well, with a bit more of an in-depth analysis. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure you subscribe. Link for this channel in the description and pinned in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.